side of the boat, Richard. Keep reeling, don't stop.
Hey Dad, you're on camera too. Whoops. You're on film.
How do we set the hook?
You don't.
Okay.
I don't know if you watched, but just then the hook, the fish set itself with a pole in the pole holder.
All right.
So that's what we did. Okay, Morris, you're coming out. Is Cat out here already?
Yeah.
There she is. So what? Put that on top.
How long are you normally reeling them in? Who knows?
It only took
That's going to be your
30
spot,
seconds
right?
for it to drop down to the bottom.
Okay.
Use this deck.
Wasn't
The
as
deck's
deep.
nice and
Yeah,
sticky.
we also hit the bottom on
Do you typically do you lose them a lot? Do you normally they get off the hook or?
Surges.
Okay.
Yeah, go up in the bow.
those. We never lost one.
and get my long pole gaff. It's about 16
A lot of times.
inches, a little one. You'll see.
Once you got them hooked,
Two
you're
big
in.
pole gaffs. The older looking one, the
You
longer
have to
one.
knock them out. We put them before it does it.
This one's gonna be yours, Pat.
It is?
Yeah, once I get it down to the bottom. Beautiful water.
Yeah.
We got it made.
We have it made.
Yeah, that one.
Do you know 8 more people that are in a better place than we are?
I
Right
don't.
now?
I don't know that. I can't think of anything better. Keep reeling. So yeah, you're doing right. Slow lifts and then fast reels. Looks like a keeper here you got on. Looks like a pretty good fish.
Hmm.
Okay, now move yourself towards the cabin. Move back up along the side.
Now he's
Even
resist-
farther towards the cabin, Pat. Why don't you come over on that side?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Let me know if I'm in.
This goes up on top. There you go. Come towards the boat now. Come towards the boat. There you go. Keep reeling. Don't stop reeling.
Fish in the boat.
I don't even have my boots on yet.
Good job.
Oh yeah.
So that's what they look like, huh?
Richard?
Yep.
You got the skunk off the boat.
Okay, good.
That's what you're hitting. Right there, right? Behind the eyes, kind of a triangle with the eyes. On a big one, I'll shoot it there in the same spot. The brain's right there.
You have a shotgun?
What's that?
Do you shoot it with a shotgun?
We didn't have a conversation about whether to keep it or not, but
Yeah.
in my eyes, that's a pretty good fish. It's a 30 pounder or so.
Okay.
You got one big one and one smaller one, so that's your bigger one. But there's 4 of you guys, so we still have a chance for a big fish. That's a nice one. I can't turn that back.
Okay.
Knowing what I know.
That's all that matters.
Nice fish. Good start. The skunk's off the boat. Things are looking good.
I'm in your way.
Hey Dad. Hey Dad.
Don't say that
Right
too
eye.
often, okay?
Nice job.
Huh?
Nice job.
Try to figure out.
You get me?
Yeah.
Let's put these back in the cabin. I want to keep the deck as clear as I can.
Okay.
So that goes in.
Just I've got my iPad in and I want to take pictures.
Okay. Okay.